Hello class, so today we're going to go ahead and create our ternary form to our final project that we're going to be doing in the musical language unit. So I'm in Soundtrap. I'm going to go ahead and enter the studio. And then once I'm in the studio, I'm going to hit on Music Project and hit Browse Loops. Okay. I'm going to want to find something that's a beat, so I'm going to do beats. I'm going to add jazz to it just because I think that's a little more fun and interesting. Okay, I think I'm going to try this one, see what that sounds like. Okay, so that's going to be my A section. Again, we want it to be anywhere between 15 to 30 seconds, and that's at 19, so that's perfect. So what I want for a B section is something that's going to be contrasting, still in the same style, but have just a different flair to it. So let's listen to a couple of them. A little bit too different. I kind of like this one, so let's see. I'm going to add this one right here. So A section is going to go. Uh-oh. Wasn't supposed to repeat. Let's do this thing. Make sure that purple bar is far over, or else it's going to accidentally repeat on you. Alright. So again, something that's stylistically different, but still in the same ballpark. That's good. Let's shrink this a little bit. So now here's where I need to make my decision. Do I want it to be A, B, A, B, or A, B, B? I'm going to just keep it A, B, A, because I think that's just a safe way to go, at least to start, and I can always change it later. But here's what I have. So clear A section. And it's just a beat. Doesn't have to be anything crazy right now. Into the B section. Also notice that I just chose beats. I didn't do any melody, any harmony stuff, because you're going to be creating that on top of this and improvising to it. Cool. So there's my ABA form. Like I said before while it was playing, you want to just find a beat for this because you're going to be doing body percussion, you're going to be improvising and doing different things on top of it. So you don't need too many layers. This is kind of just like it's supposed to be. It's the blueprint for your song. So best of luck and hope that helped for you guys.